Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will describe the VIVOSUN Submersible Pump. This pump is suitable for the ultra-quiet water fountain, fish tank, pond, aquarium, statuary, and hydroponic screen. Let's get started. First up, the specs. This pump is tiny, measuring just 4.1 inches long, making it super easy to tuck away discreetly. Despite its size, it packs a punch with a maximum flow rate of 800 gallons per hour and a lift height of up to 10 feet. Plus, the adjustable flow knob lets you customize the water pressure for your specific needs. Speaking of versatility, this pump is truly a multi-talent. Whether you're creating a relaxing pond fountain, a cascading waterfall, or even powering a hydroponic system, this little guy can handle it all. And with its wide operating temperature range from 32 F to 104 F, it's suitable for various environments. Cleaning and maintenance are a breeze, thanks to the detachable design. No tools are required, just pop it open and give it a quick rinse. Plus, the included 3 nozzle adapters offer different water flow patterns for added customization. So, what are the downsides? While some users report the pump being quiet, others mention a slight hum. It's definitely not an ear-splitting roar, but keep it in mind if absolute silence is crucial. Additionally, the advertised flow rate might not be fully achievable at the maximum lift height. In conclusion, the VIVOSUN Submersible Pump is a powerful and versatile option for various water features and systems. Its compact size, adjustable flow, and multiple nozzles make it a flexible choice. However, keep in mind the potential for slight noise and reduced flow at maximum height. Overall, this pump offers great value for its price and capabilities. But before you hit that buy button, consider your specific needs and noise tolerance. And that's it for today's review. Have you tried the VIVOSUN Submersible Pump? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and gadget reviews. Until next time, stay curious and creative.